Hey fam, what's up? Today I would like to introduce you to Miss Olympia Lighting Bolt. Yes, guys, I had to take this one to you. Isn't she a beauty? Wow, wow, wow. So, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed, please hop on down below and press that red subscribe button, and remember to like and share the video. Yes, and if you are regular here, just want to say welcome back. And so today, without any further ado, let us get right into the video. Yes, the 8-time Olympic gold medalist, record holder, also the fastest man alive. You all know by now who I'm talking. Mr. Usain Saint Bolt has revealed pictures of his beautiful baby girl. Yes, here is Princess Olympia Lighting Bolt. And my, isn't she beautiful? Bolt's longtime girlfriend, who is also Olympia's mother, Miss Casey Bennett, celebrated her birthday today, which is actually July 7th. And so Bolt took to social media to showcase them and to profess his love. Olympia was born on May 17th, 2020 at the Natal Hospital in Kingston. The name Olympia is of a Greek origin, and it means of or from Mount Olympus, mythical home for the Greek gods. The 33-year-old sprinter says he hopes to have at least 3 children. And as we feast our eye on this beautiful princess, we want to say happy birthday to Casey and congratulations to Bolt and Casey on the birth of their beautiful baby girl. And we wish her good health, long life, and prosperity. So, thank you for watching, and all the best to Mr. Bolt and his family.